Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about a fascinating topic, Hindi words that have been adopted into the English language. Language is a reflection of culture, and the exchange between languages over time has led to many words from Hindi becoming part of everyday English. One of the most well-known examples is the word avatar. In its original sense, it refers to the earthly incarnation of a deity in Hinduism, but today, it is commonly used in technology and gaming to refer to a character or representation of a person in virtual spaces. Another popular word is karma, which originates from the Sanskrit and Hindi concept of cause and effect. In modern English, it's widely used to express the idea that what you do comes back to you, whether good or bad. Then, there's bungalow, a type of house that originally referred to a small, one-story dwelling from India. The word has become a part of English, describing a certain style of home all over the world. Similarly, shampoo comes from the Hindi word champo, which means to massage or cleanse. Today, it refers to the cleaning product we all use to wash our hair. Other words like curry, loot, pundit, and thug have also made their way into English, each carrying its own unique meaning and history. Mantra, which originally meant a sacred chant, is now used to describe a guiding principle or slogan. These words have not only expanded the English vocabulary but have also connected cultures, allowing us to understand and appreciate each other better. The influence of Hindi on English reminds us of how language evolves and how the sharing of ideas and words bridges gaps between people and societies. In conclusion, the journey of Hindi words into the English language is a testament to the richness of cultural exchange and the beauty of language. It's a reminder that language is not just about words, but about the stories, history, and connections they represent. Thank you.